Morning, buenos dias, happy Sunday. Today's tutorial is going to be a 2007 Dodge Nitro, 3.7 liters, V6. And today, hey, get out of here. And today I will be teaching you how to remove a starter. Let's do this. This guy right here is the starter. I've already started. There's 2 bolts. Let me get the handy wrench. So there's 2 bolts. There's this guy right here, and there's this guy back here. And then there's a couple of attachments. One in here, which could easily be snapped off. Not snapped off, but you go and click it, and then you pull it. And then this guy right here should be able to come down. And stay tuned. So right now I'm going to fast forward all the boring stuff and unscrew these 2 guys right here. So stay tuned. My wife is asking me to cook because it is Mother's Day. I cannot say no. So firing up some arracheras, I believe, and riblets, I believe. I don't really know. She said, get your butt over to the grill and start cooking. So I do what I'm told. Gotta do it, gotta do it, gotta do it. Anything you need? So today is Mother's Day, so make sure you guys are spoiling your wives, your mothers, your sisters, your cousins, your baby's mamas. You gotta get along with them as well. And make sure you let me know how you're liking this tutorial on how to switch a starter. Stay tuned. So I am back. So we were able to successfully take off one of the screws, or should I say bolts. So now it's this guy's turn. So what I did is I sprayed some of this, oh, sorry for my finger. I sprayed some of this blaster penetrating catalyst. I sprayed it, I soaked it pretty good in there. So now, I'm gonna see if I can set up this. So now I'm gonna try and get this guy right here, a socket with a little mini bar, and that's the 15. I don't know what size that is. You can comment down below and help me out. I YouTube everything, so this is all a brand new experience for me. So let's see if I can hold this and then do that at the same time. And I can't hold it. I'm gonna cut to it being off, so bear with me. I'll be back. So I was able to loosen the bolts, and now I got a 13 right here that I'm trying to remove. This screw right here, and then this screw right here. You're gonna attach this off, you're gonna attach that off, and then you'll have to snap that off, and then for the most part your starter will come right down. So it's a process, but we're getting there. You gotta bear with me too, but I'm trying to show you a play-by-play so that way the next person that does it, it would be easier. So stay tuned. So this is the starter. As you can see, it's seen better days. Apparently so with my hands. And this right here is the brand new starter. Side by side. There's a little comparison, as you can see the difference. This one is ready to go. This one is ready to go. Alright, let's go put it on. Folks, so that is the starter. Brand new one. Went ahead and put that bolt and that bolt, this bolt, this right here. It's got like a switch right here, like a clip, if you will. So I just snap that back into place. And then if we roll down here, I put in this screw right here, and then this horrible screw over here. It's a nightmare. So that's it. Let's start it up. So I was able to successfully put in the starter, and now the car is starting perfectly fine. It is a short video, but it is a play-by-play on what exactly screws and bolts and everything that need to be removed, and what needs to be done in order to replace your old starter with the new one. This again is a 2007 Dodge Nitro, so I hope it was a bit helpful in any way possible. If you like it, press the like button. If you don't, comment and tell me why. This is my first video, so be patient, and see you all next time. Yabba dabba doo.